cars, and we worked really hard on this, and I worked on this really hard, and all of my friends came to help.
And what pictures inspired your designs? And
one of the pictures,
you want to show Miss Tara?
This car one inspired me to make the car lane in the tunnel, and there's this one back here. It inspired me to make the traffic jam.
Oh, this is the traffic jam down here.
And that plane right there, that plane picture inspired me inspired Lucas and me to do that airport so the planes could take off. But I did it by myself.
You designed the airport, Lucas? You want to tell me anything about the airport?
Well, I put these two stuff right there, and I put this one behind it so it could hold this plane. And I put a little bridge. Then I put like this little ramp to hold it from the bottom. And my thinking was to make this train. I made a train, and I made this circle. I put this train station right here, back here for the gas.
Our future architects and engineers at TerraNichol Academy of the Arts.